ladies, it's Dawn, and I wanted to come on here today to show you a very simple natural makeup look that I wear a lot of days. It's just sort of a go-to look for me because many of you know I like a very natural makeup look, and it's a palette that I really enjoy using. It's the Tarte In Bloom from Tarte, and it looks like this, and these are what the colors look like. You've got some very light colors. You've got a few shimmers, 1, 2, 3, I think 4 shimmers. And then it's got some mattes, and you've got some deeper and darker tones. And this is a great palette because you can achieve so many different looks with it. You could have a very natural everyday look. You could do a one eyeshadow look. Sometimes I like to just wear this burgundy shade by itself for a one makeup eye look. And it's just got some beautiful colors. So if you have this palette, I'm sure you're probably enjoying it too. And if you don't, this is a palette that you might want to consider because it's a really great palette to have in anyone's collection, I think. The brushes I'm going to be using are this brush, and it's just a Morphe. This is just a great blending brush for putting down color. Then I have a cone-shaped blending brush. You don't really need this one for this look, but I have it nearby just in case. And then I have a smudger brush, a brush like this. And this one is from Vanity Planet, and it looks like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I like to achieve a very natural everyday makeup look using my Tarte In Bloom palette. Okay, so I have one eye finished now. I just didn't put on my mascara, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye just to show you how I achieve this look and to cut down on time by doing both eyes. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I take the brush, the blending brush for packing on color, and I go into this very light shade here and mix it with the one above it a little bit. And I'll put the names of those two colors on the screen. And I just go into, like, onto my mobile lid, into my crease, above my crease, and then instead of going all the way up here, I take it out toward the tail of my brow. And you can build up the color until you like the intensity. Make it as intense as you like it. This is about how I like it for everyday wear, and I will also blend it, as you can see when I'm done. Actually, take that up a little bit higher over here. But I will blend it out and make them symmetrical. But that's typically about the intensity that I like. Then the next thing that I do is take the smudger brush, and I go in with this shade right here, and it's like it's not a charcoal, it's more of a deep brown, very deep brown, almost black, but it leans more brown than charcoal. And then I pack a little on this brush and tap it off, and then I start on the inside of my eye and very lightly trace my lash line with it like you would eyeliner. And then I just smudge and smudge and smudge to give it that very soft, smudgy look. And then I do the outer V and into the crease, like a cut crease, all the while really smudging it to keep it very soft. And I don't want any harsh lines at all. And when you smudge it, it really starts to blend in with the more terracotta shades, but they don't look muddy together. Okay, then I wipe off this brush really well on my paper towel, and I just go in with this color right here, and I mix it a little bit with the shimmer next to it. And I just trace right beneath my lower lash line with that. Okay, and then I take this sparkle shade right here. It's a shimmer onto my ring finger, and I just press it on my inner corner. And just onto half of my lid, starting on the inner corner. Then I take the cone-shaped blending brush and I just blend until you get the intensity of color that you want and everything looks as blended as you would like it to be. Okay, now I'm gonna put on my Pacifica Dream Big Mascara. Now I'm just gonna fill in my brows with my NYX brown, with my NYX brow pencil. And this is in the color brown, but it has some nice auburn, like a little bit of a red tint to it. So it's perfect for my hair color. I like this one and I like the light brown one because they're both pretty red in my opinion. Okay, so this is the finished look. It's just a very soft, everyday look. And like I said, you could build up the intensity for the evening if you want a more dramatic look, or you could even just put it on in a more, put it on a little bit heavier for a more dramatic look during the day, whatever you prefer. But I just love this palette. It's such a universal palette, and I just wanted to show you one way that I really enjoy using this, and I do wear my eyes like this very often. It's a go-to look for me. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below in the comment section. And even if you just say hello, I love interacting with you. I hope you all have a very blessed and beautiful day. See you next time.